Almost from the opening bell, there seemed to be problems. Some small investors couldn't get trades executed. And by a little after 11:30, the New York Stock Exchange was shut down.
We got the most complicated, technical trading system, electronic trading, access to the floor from all over the world that exists anywhere. So these things are subject to technical problems.
As investors scrambled to find other exchanges to trade on, concerns grew that this was a cyber attack. Earlier in the day, United Airlines had its own computer glitch, grounding its entire fleet for 2 hours. Turns out it was a router problem, but there were fears the two were coordinated attacks. President Barack Obama was briefed, told today's technical glitches were purely coincidental.
There is no indication that malicious actors were involved in these technology issues.
While saying there was no link to nefarious activity, Secretary of Homeland Security Jay Johnson underscored how seriously they take potential threats.
Cyber threats are increasing in their frequency, scale, sophistication, and severity. The ranges of cyber threat actors, methods of attack, and targeted victims are also expanding.
A reminder, says this journalist, about the vulnerability of systems like stock exchanges.
Stock exchanges can and do fail, and for all that they're ballyhooed, they're also incredibly complex systems, and incredibly complex systems do fail. It's just what they do.
He says this is unlike the flash crash of 2010, when automated trading programs sent the market into a tailspin. Today, the market didn't panic. While the NYSE was down, dozens of other exchanges like the NASDAQ were operating, allowing investors to continue trading. Trading resumed late today after more than 3.5 hours. A stock exchange spokesperson says the root cause was a configuration issue, but didn't elaborate. Some insiders think it could have been a problem with new software. Regardless, the president of the exchange has promised it wouldn't happen again. Stephen D'Souza, CBC News, New York.